Hello everyone, I'm Tammy from Chengdu Mind IoT Technology Company. Mind is a nearly 30-year-old RFID smart card, smart label manufacturer at the top of the industry. Our headquarters is located in Chengdu City, Sichuan Province, China. Our factory has a construction area of more than 20,000 square meters, with 24 production workshops covering 33 fine processes, and employees are more than 300. This is a smart card model. As you can see, it is divided into the surface ledger and the inner ledger. The surface ledger presents the appearance of the card, and the inner ledger contains the chips and the coils to realize the various functions. Today, let's go deep into Mind's production workshop to explore the production secret of the smart cards. At Mind, there are 5 processes for card printing, including offset printing, silk screen printing, digital printing, flatbed printing, and laser engraving. Offset printing is the most widely used printing method with the best cost and efficiency. Mind has 5 German hard-work offset printing machines, which can print 10,000 standard cards per minute on one side. We use the industry's most advanced printing machines, ID card and back PVC materials, and international brand ink. Our offset printing masters are always more than 10 years of experience in the industry, which can ensure that each of your cards achieves the best printing effect. Digital printing is completed with HP Indigo 7800 machines, which can perfectly solve the production of small batch personalized orders and urgent orders, which is both flexible and efficient. Silk screen printing is a long-standing printing process, widely used in the signature panel, gold and silver printing. Flatbed printing can print a special material such as wood and acrylic, and the special effects such as the embossed printing. The middle chip layer is completed in the winding workshop. After the chips are taken out from the wafer tray, they are bound into COBs one by one. Copper coils are wound on the PVC core material according to customer requirements, using automated winding equipment. The size and the position of the copper coils can be customized, and then welded and fixed together with the COB. Each chip and the card will be inspected at least 3 times before leaving factory to ensure that every card received by the customers can work properly. Next step is to stack the printed surface layer and the chip layer and fix them. Put them into a high temperature and high pressure laminator. Set the temperature, pressure, and time. Heat the machine for 30 minutes to melt several lasers at high temperature, and cool it for 25 minutes to fix it. We are here at automatically punching workshop and use infrared or visual positioning punching machines to accurately position to ensure that every card is not offset or misplaced after being punched out. After this process, the product is roughly the same as the card we usually see. But it's not over yet. All cards must undergo the automatic appearance inspection here. Whether it's a hair size defect or a tiny scratch, our equipment automatically detects it. Compared with traditional manual card inspection, the inspection standard is unified, the efficiency is higher, and the missed inspection rate is 0. It can also avoid fingerprints, stains, scratches, and missed inspections caused by manual labor. The next steps belong to the personalized process. Some cards need to be encapsulated with contact IC chips, coated, gold and silver stamped. The last step is writing data. This is our data card MX6000. Can realize double-sided coding, magnetic writing, data writing, hot stamping, data matching, and other functions. Finally, our cooperating express companies such as UPS, FedEx, or DHL will deliver the product to you or your customers safely and promptly. Let's use this newly made card to try to open the workshop door. See, I have mastered the magic. Of course, environmental protection treatment is also essential during the production process. We use this system to ensure that Mind's emissions meet the standards. This is a brief introduction to the production process of Mind Factory. If you have any needs of smart card or labels, just scan the code to contact Mind Stop. We have a professional design team and sales team that will offer 24-hour consulting services. Choosing Mind makes the card and label business very simple.